ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Step into paradise at Mausen Talang Nongwar, your sustainable escape into nature's heart.
St. Joseph Higher Secondary School Nongkasen, Hakasin Kabalai Kalayo Rabiang, Yakanam Ladu, Haka 3rd Eastern West Khasi Hills District Level Inter-School Athletics Meet Arja Arpsau. Nakaba Puliam no, Yak Arpsau to League Way Party School, Kibalawan Banya Shimenta, Nakaba Yok Hurmarway, Hado Arpundai to League Takama, Kuntup Halai to League Takamaxiar, Pratali Takamarupa, but Pratali Takamaranong. Dagani Nam job with St. Joseph Higher Secondary School Nongkasen, Kalayo at House and Yak Rekod. Takwa job hido lyceum kanti yaga district level inter-school. Bapai pa chaka march pass balai shimenta di Khandro Tuli School na penengki Arpsau Tuli, St. Thomas Higher Secondary School Mairang, Kalayora yaga nam lado. Yaga ni 3rd Eastern West Khasi Hills District Level Inter-School Athletics Meet Arja Arpsau. Kabal ni lyceum ter yaga bala pelong, yaga Office District Sports Officer West Khasi Hills District Nongstoy. Dapan Pernadu Deputy Commissioner Joko Eastern West Khasi Hills District Uba G. Karmau Klang Ubalalong Kum Kongsan.
Approaching the salute point is Vinci Higher Secondary School. Approaching the salute base is Manai Secondary School.
Paul has mentioned, I wish I could have been here for the last few days. It brings back old memories when we were in school and college. It is indeed a feast to the eyes and a very pleasing moment to see each and every one of you. The excitement in your faces when each of your respective teams are participating, be it in march past or in the medley which I have witnessed today, and I'm sure even the past events which have been conducted during the last few days. From my side, I have only one word of encouragement. Though you might not win medals, but your participation is more important than just winning medals. And to those who have won medals, those will be selected from the district for the upcoming state event. My best wishes to each and every one of you. Kindly prepare well in whatever time that you still have till it is. So, and I wish that we could, with from Bala, we could give them a really warm send off. And I hope that you will come back with many accolades and trophies and bring honor not only to yourselves, to your institutions, but to the district as a whole. I know sports is one event which, it brings each and every one of us together. Like what the motto here printed on the flag says, one spirit, one team. I think today we all that. And please don't forget, once we leave, once you go out of the district, you are a team of the district, not anymore from individual institutions. And once you are selected for the state also, to represent the state, you are a student representing the state of Meghalaya. Sports is not just an event to meet or to rejoice, but it acts as a catalyst to improve your learning skills. It improves your power of concentration, it improves your studies in the long run. So don't give up, please be active, and don't just be there just to win medals or to attend to any of these events, but make sports as a day-to-day event whether at your home or among your friend circles, or whether at your respective institutions or schools.
The Rolling Star performance rise up the top. The government of the Allies, the King's friends. They're moving. Look at the feet. Look at the feet. As it all sticks to the other. The inside of them is back in the line. It's the championship. We are the champion, my friends. And we will keep on fighting to the end. We are the champion. We are the champion. No time for losers. No time to look back. Because we are the champion. Yes, we are. We are the heroes. And what can happen? But we believe it. Don't keep on. But keep the passion. Respect. Stand up for the champion. Cheer for the champion. Let's number 1. Cheers up for the champion. Cheers up for the champion. I'm in Singapore. I'm not going to London gaming with no goal. I'm in this round. It's running the line and the line of the runners. Now I'm in everything the game. I'm so perfect. I don't need nothing to go because I have my own energy. I have my own power. I'm confident. Yes, they are unstoppable today. Look at the boys. The way they run. It seems nobody can stop them. Not even the heat of the day can stop them. Saint Joseph is the overall champion. I bring loud music for the champion.